Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me for this Valentine's Day Decorate with Me. I've laid out all of my items here on the table. These are things that I've thrifted along the way or found around the house. I got this pom-pom border, some centerpieces. This is a blanket that we received for Christmas, and I've been excited to use it somewhere in the house. Then down here we have these books that my husband has had on his bookshelf for some time, and they're red, so I thought they'd fit right in. Then down on this end of the table are things that I have made, and I also have a video posted on those items as well, so if you'd like to see how I made these things, you can go check that out. Back here I have a table runner that I made out of drop cloth fabric, and then a pillowcase cover that I made out of kitchen dish towels. I also have a little garland that I made out of fabric I found around the house. So here I'm just adding this blanket to my blanket ladder next to my mantle. Again, this was purchased on Amazon as one of our Christmas gifts, and we haven't found a use for it so far, but I thought it would look perfect with our Valentine's theme. These are our built-in shelves on the other side of our mantle. I'm just going to add in a couple Valentine touches over here. I tend to decorate very minimally. I don't like a lot of clutter or extra things to dust, so I'm just adding in a couple things here and there. I love the willow tree figurines, and I've collected those over the years, so I usually keep those out year-round. Adding in the red books, as well as just rearranging some things. I've got the XO. Also, I thrifted this sweater that I have on in this video, and I am in love with it. It's so comfy and makes me look like I'm ready for Valentine's Day. Now I will move on to our mantle, where I'm going to hang this little heart garland. I've got 3 hooks in the mantle, and then I'm going to use this little pom-pom fabric border and just slide it in behind there. I didn't want to cut it because I might want to use it for something else in the future, so I just kind of tied up the loose ends there. I also need to get something to hide those wires behind the TV. So next I will finish decorating the rest of the living room. I'm just starting with our couch here, putting on our normal pillows and blanket. Then I'll add in a couple Valentine touches. This is the pillow I made from burlap and ribbon. And then I'm going to take the pillowcase I made and shove it over one of the pillows that we already have. It's a little harder than it looks sometimes. I'm going to put these on the little side table here just to give it a little Valentine's touch. And then I'm going to decorate these photo ledges with other DIY items I made, and you can find those in my other video. The last place I'm going to decorate is our dining room table. This is the table runner that I made from a drop cloth. And here I have a vase that I thrifted. I'm planning to put these hearts on some sticks, but we just had a snowstorm, so I'm gonna have to wait. Then I have this little napkin holder that I thrifted and our reusable napkins. This is the first time I've decorated for Valentine's Day, and I'm so happy with the way everything turned out. Thank you so much for joining me today.